If you ever bought a make money online course and you actually tried, but you didn't get the results, this is for you. Because the problem isn't that you're lazy, and it's not that you need more motivation. It's that you were given information without a structure that can actually run. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a simple roadmap that turns random learning into recurring income without funnels, without complicated tech, and without guessing what to do next. There are four bullets that we're going to cover. Number one, why most people fail after buying a course. Let's say that out loud. Why people fail after buying a course. Most courses are built like a library, not like a system. You log in, you see 47 modules. You feel behind before you even start. And then real life happens. You get busy, kids get sick, kids are needing you. You miss a week, then it's two. Now the course feels like a reminder that you failed. Because self-paced information with no structure and no execution rhythm doesn't survive real life. But progress is not what you bought. Progress is what you built. So the goal is not more information. The goal is a simple structure that keeps you moving even when motivation dies. And that's the difference. Number two, stop chasing a niche and start with a paid problem. Because most beginners get stuck. Like, what's my niche? What's my niche? What's my niche? And then they sit there for months renaming their idea instead of building anything. Don't start with a niche. Start with a paid problem. What would someone swipe a card for today to make a painful problem go away? Is it money problems, debt problems, weight loss, career moves, confidence, parenting, health, skills, tax benefits, building a community, or getting a client? You don't need to have a perfect identity. You need a problem that already has money chasing it. Can you talk about it long enough to make 50 to 100 videos without hating your life? Number three, the roadmap. The 3 layers that create recurring income. Here's a simple roadmap. And this is the part most courses skip. They teach random tactics, but they don't teach order. So here's the order. Layer 1, visibility. Layer 2 is community. And layer 3 is leverage. And they stack. So layer 1, visibility, pick one platform. I recommend YouTube. Not because you need to go viral, but because you need to be found. Your job is to be useful to one person and one painful paid problem. And yes, you can do 1 video a week at minimum. Even better if you can do 3 to 5. Batch it, schedule it. Make the future you easier. Every video solves one real problem and points to the next step. Layer 2. This is where people stop being viewers and start becoming customers. Free is the front door. Paid is the living room. And VIP is the speed and the support. Free is where they get clarity. They learn what to do. Who you help, how you help, why it helps, and what happens if they don't fix the problem. Paid is where they execute step by step with tools, with structure, with guidance. And VIP is not magic. VIP is just more access, more feedback, and more speed. And here's the big idea: community is the moat. AI can copy information, but AI cannot copy a living network of real human beings, helping each other, shipping together, building momentum. That's why this module works. It's not just clients, it's connection plus structure. Layer 3. This is where the AI comes in. AI speeds up the thinking, AI speeds up the creating, and AI creates consistency. AI doesn't replace you, it removes the friction. Friction is what makes people stop. So if you remove the friction, you stay consistent, and consistent wins. Number 4, the weekly rhythm and the freedom math. Now let's make this practical. The reason people don't get results is because they don't have a rhythm. They have moods. So here's the rhythm: one video per week, one workshop per week, one place where people can go next, your free community. And if you want to go harder, 3 to 5 videos per week. Still the same rule: one problem, one video, one clear next step. And here's the math that calms people down: you don't need 1,000,000 followers. You need a smaller number of people paying small amounts for a painful problem you can solve. Think in dollars per day, not vanity metrics. 1,000 people paying $1 a day is 1,000 people, or $1,000 a day. 1,000 people paying $3 a day is about 90,000 a month. That's the point. Your goal is not fame. Your goal is predictable income. And predictable income comes from a simple offer plus a weekly rhythm plus community execution. Not from more courses, not from more hacks, not from building a complicated funnel that you never finish. Simple wins. So if you want this roadmap and you want to stop guessing and stop collecting courses and finally build something that compounds, join my free school, Shifting Gears. Because inside my free school, I'll give you the exact structure, the order to build in, and the weekly rhythm to follow. So you don't just feel inspired, you know what to do next. One action: go join my free school, Shifting Gears, and start with the Freedom Roadmap training. I'll see you inside.